This experiment shows air exert pressure in downward direction. I have taken a bottle full of water. Take a pin and make a hole in the bottle. Now slowly take out the pin. The water is not coming out of the bottle. Now I will open the cap of the bottle. See, the water is coming out of the bottle because the air is exerting pressure in downward direction. Thank you. This experiment shows air exert pressure in upward direction. Take a glass filled with water. Now take a cardboard and place it over the glass. Now hold the glass upside down. Wait for some time and then slowly remove your hand from the glass. This shows that air exerts pressure in the upward direction. Thank you. This experiment shows that air exerts pressure in all the directions. I have taken a bottle and placed a balloon inside the bottle. Now I will blow this balloon. I am not able to blow the balloon because the air which is trapped inside the bottle is exerting pressure on the balloon so that I can't blow the balloon. For proving this, I have taken another bottle with a hole in it. You can see this. Now when I will blow the balloon, you can see what happens. I am able to blow the balloon because the air which was trapped inside this bottle is now escaping from this hole. Thank you. This experiment shows air has weight. I have taken two balloons of same size and balanced them. Now I will prick one of the balloons and see what happens. The air will escape out of this balloon. As a result, it will loses its balance. So it means air has weight. Thank you. This experiment shows air takes up space. I have taken a glass with a paper pasted at the bottom. I have taken a transparent bowl filled with water. Now take the glass upside down and push it into the bowl. Wait for some time and remove it from the bowl. Now see, if I feel the paper, it is dry because air have taken up the space and did not allow the water to reach the paper. Thank you.